Welcome to TecoGuide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by EdTechity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
Hey, do you know how to get rid of D and F grades in college? Well, there's two ways. The first way is to repeat the class at the same college or a sister college that has the same class name. If you repeat the class a second or third or possibly even fourth time, whatever grade you get the last time will replace the previous grade. So make sure you put in enough time, sit in the front, talk to your professor, because engaging in class really matters in college. The second way to get rid of D and F grades in college is to do an academic renewal petition. What this does, it allows you to wipe out D and F grades in up to 30 units, which is about 10 classes. Make sure you look up your particular academic renewal policy at your institution, either on their website, in their catalog, or go see a counselor. For more helpful college survival tips like this, don't forget to start your free TecoGuide.com account, and don't forget to smash the follow me button.
Thank you for tuning into TecoGuide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.